Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so. And in here you'll find a bunch of toggles. One of them you can see is battery saver. Once you see it, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up this window telling you that battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. And click on turn on, and there we go. It is now enabled, and it's basically saving some power. Now, once you're done using it and you want to just go back to the normal mode, find the toggle once again, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.